Keep it rotating! Secure that formwork. Tie those bars tight. Pour it in slow. Level it out. Check that alignment. Keep it rotating! Plaster those walls evenly. Spread it smooth. Drag it straight. Spray it down. Looks perfect.
Make sure the laser is aligned before you fix that channel.
Almost there, just a few more screws.
Let's get these wire reels ready. Thread it right through. This will keep it in place. All connections look solid. Let's review the blueprint before cutting. We need exactly 12 centimeters. Apply the solvent evenly around the joint. Perfect. Secure that clamp right there, holding at 40 psi. System is holding, 0 leaks. Position the frame carefully. Secure it with the anchors. Slowly lower the glass panel into the frame. Apply silicone sealant around the edges. This opens very smoothly. Clean that surface until it shines. Let's check the layout before we begin. Spread that adhesive nice and even. Watch that laser line for perfect alignment. Measure twice, cut once for the edges. Fill every joint completely with grout. Clean that surface until it We need to prime this entire section first. Precision is key around these ceiling borders. This top coat is going on perfectly. The airless sprayer gives it a flawless finish, working systematically from top to bottom.
The level is off by a few millimeters on this side. Adjust it.
Yes, boss, we will fix it now.
We did it! What a masterpiece!